Hello everybody, I'm Bill and you're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel, and today we are going to make a cocktail for you that has become popular through social media. Well, this cocktail shares a name with a song that was popular in the 1950s and the 1960s and as recently as 2010. The song title, nothing to do with the cocktail, but the cocktail does have its roots in classical cocktail history. So if you want to find out how to make this cocktail, grab a seat at the bar and join me as we make the Blue Velvet Sour. Well, let's get pouring. This is a cocktail that is very similar to a classic sour, and we're going to start by putting it in a shaker. And the first thing that's going to go in that shaker is an egg white. We're going to follow that up with some simple syrup. And for that, we're going to put in 1/2 of an ounce. And that's equal parts of sugar and water. 1/2 of an ounce go in there. I'm going to next follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to follow that up, and this is where the big difference comes in, is we're adding some blue curacao. Now, blue curacao is going to give it this great color to it, and it's also going to give us some more citrus notes. Whereas that lemon brightens it up, this has got more of an orange flavor to it. And for that, 3/4 of an ounce. And our last ingredient going in there is London dry gin. This is a gin sour, but you can just as easily make that a vodka sour. And for that, we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. Because it's an egg white in there, we're going to do a dry shake. And one of the things, I never seem to get enough foam in there when I do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try adding a spring from our Hawthorne strainer. That's going to go in there. It's kind of, you're going to help it agitate. We're going to put the top on that shaker. Make sure it's on good and tight. When you shake a warm cocktail like that, it's going to expand and it's going to try and leak all over the place. It could make a mess. I'm really good at making messes. Kim will tell you so. But let's give this a good shake, 10-15 seconds, and we're going to break that egg down. It's going to emulsify. It's going to give us foam. Now that we've got this all shaken up, it's time to add some ice in there, and let's chill it down. So carefully pop the top on that so it doesn't explode on you. And we'll put some ice in there. Let's get rid of that spring. We'll put the top on again, and let's give it a shake. And I am making my mess. We'll pick that up in a second here. I think we're cold. I know we're messy. Let's wipe this down a little bit real quick. And now, let's grab my coupe. I've had this chilling. I've got some ice in there, some water in there. It's going to help keep our drink cold. And now we simply pour. And there we have the Blue Velvet Sour. Right off the note, you get those citrus notes as you're smelling it, that touch of orange in there, the bright lemon. Very smooth mouthfeel in there. The nice subtle flavors of that dry gin combined with that citrus. This one is an absolutely beautiful cocktail. It's absolutely delicious. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, enjoy this cocktail. We'll see you at the next cocktail.